Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox randomly disconnecting. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox randomly disconnecting, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Roblox and you will click. Then in this list of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here in this page we click on clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. When you'll find it, then you can update your application there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.